Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Instagram Partner Program, which is actually a suite of monetization tools for creators. Instagram provides various avenues for you to earn directly from your content and audience. We will cover the essential steps and requirements to help you unlock these exciting opportunities. It's about understanding the platform's offerings and how to best position your account for success. To begin your monetization journey, you must first meet several core requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old and operate a professional account, either a creator or business profile. Crucially, your content must always comply with Instagram's community standards and partner monetization policies. For features like subscriptions and badges, a minimum of 10,000 followers is typically required to unlock access. Once eligible, activating these tools is straightforward. Navigate to your professional dashboard within the Instagram app. Here, you can check your eligibility for features like subscriptions or badges. If available, simply tap Set Up and accept the terms. Remember, certain programs such as bonuses are invite-only, so keep an eye on your notifications. Finally, you will link a payout method like PayPal or a bank account to receive your earnings. To maximize your earning potential, focus on consistent creation of high-quality, original content that truly resonates with your audience. Active engagement builds a loyal community, which is vital for sustained growth. Always stay updated on Instagram's ever-evolving policies and new monetization opportunities. Diversifying your content, perhaps by utilizing Reels and live videos, can also significantly expand your reach and increase your chances of unlocking further earning avenues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.